In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing ICEGRAM ENGAGE. So what I'm going to do is simply download it by clicking on this button. Okay, and here it is. I have it in my downloads folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to my website and click on plugins, click on add new, then click on upload, and finally paste it here or choose the file. So I'm going to click, drag, and drop it here. Then I'm going to click on install now. Okay, so the installation is complete. So next step is activating the plugin. Okay, so this is the page that you're going to be presented with when you click on activate. So these are some of the things we can do with ICEGRAM's Engage plugin. So we can grow our audience. So I'm being asked to choose what this should help me with. So there's guide visitors, giveaway. Okay, yeah, I'll deduct some downloadable resources because okay, actually I do provide some trading tools, so I'd love people to subscribe and get to download some of my stuff. So I definitely want this feature. Make announcements, no. Grow revenue, yes. Get calls, no. Increase social media followers, yes. And no, I don't want this. Correct feedback, no. Okay, for now I'll go on with these campaigns and I'll click on continue. Okay, so message placement. What type of messages do you like to use in this campaign? Okay, so as for me, I hate pop-ups, like they really disturb people. So I need something which can allow me like put on my website and not disturb people and not make it user friendly of the website bad. So let's try to choose the messenger one. It looks okay. The sticky inline. No, the inline makes it. I think the inline is better. So this is whereby someone is scrolling through my content and he finds it. I think this is better. Then I'm going to click on continue. Okay, then filter templates. So these are the templates. Okay, so which one do I like here? Okay, for now let's keep it to simple, to this one here. Okay, then what I need to do is simply click on, okay, click on use this. Okay, so now I need to add in a headline. So let's try to give this one a headline. Let us say download my tool for free. Then here simply have to write in some content. Let us say, okay, click on the button below to download. Then the image, I think I'll leave the image just like this, simply because this is for testing purposes. Okay, so I can edit the link by scrolling down. So I'll direct people to be redirected to the shop page when they click on the button. Okay, then these things I'll leave them the way they are. So I'll direct this to show on the home page. Okay, and then it will show always and now count them, and it will show on both the phone, the tablet, and the computers, and to all users. Show once, do not show for currencies. Nope. So let's click on publish. Okay, so it's that simple. So to add the new campaign, I guess you have to click on this button over here. Then you simply have to choose through this list of templates, and they are all nice. Okay, I think I'm going to be using mostly this one for unlocking premium content. I think this one is going to help me get a lot of subscribers when I provide something valuable, or obviously this one to subscribe to unlock content. Okay, and I think since Black Friday is coming closer, I think I might have to use this one as well, or this. So let's check out some other features of ICEGRAM's Engage. So there's the messages. So what's on messages? Okay, so on the messages, I think this is where there is the campaigns that we have created. Okay, then the report. Okay, so there's no analytics available right now. So let's try to check out on settings and see what we can do. Okay, show powered by. I don't think I want this. Okay, I think I would like to turn on this so that I don't end up having a slow website. So this is really good for some of us who are really focused on speed. So having this feature is actually a win. So this is nice. Okay, then I'm going to click on save changes. So this is really a good plugin. Like, it has got all the features, all the templates you might need in an engaging plugin to collect subscribers, to offer premium content, and everything else. So you can get it. Okay, simply visit the link in the description and it's going to redirect you to ICEGRAM. That is why you'll be able to download from there. So bye for now. This is Keith Ruins.